Today I'm going to show you how to make a color palette that you can use as reference in all your future designs in Canva. To get started, go into the brand menu, scroll down, and then click on brand kit. Scroll down to colors, and then here you can see your color palette. You can also rename it as anything you want, but I'm gonna keep it. So if you want to add a color, just click add a new color. I have these colors that I have recorded that I use quite frequently, or in a design that I used recently. I'm going to add this color and then add a new color. Set this one and then add another color. And there we go. And as you can see, when we added this third color, the golden crown icon showed up. So this means that Canva gives us only 3 free color palettes, or 3 free colors in our color palette that we can use every time. And if you try to click on add a new color again, it's going to tell you to upgrade. So this is as far as you can go when going free in Canva. I think it's still very useful, as most designs, modern designs, use 3 or less colors in their design to make it very consistent throughout. So let's try and see how we can apply this in a design. So we can go here. This is a design I have used, and if we click on, let's say, one of the elements and then go to color, as you can see the brand kit. You can see the color palette that we have set before. We have the exact same colors that we have here, which is why I picked them, because I use these color here as an example. So you can just change this color and change that one if you want. Sorry. And yeah, that's about it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.